From Sooner Standards, Programming with Code Building Blocks, a complete Grade 5 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 5APC01. Students learn to create a program that combines sequencing, loops, conditionals, event handlers, and variables with math operations to solve a problem or express an idea. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. New this update, a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual building blocks comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 4 to 5 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.